Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. You're here with Code Purpose. In case nobody asks you today, I want to be the first in saying, how are you guys doing? I hope you are staying safe. And today we are going to start off a new series of structural programming using the C language. And our first exercise is finding the biggest difference. We will need a natural number n, which is read from the standard input, after which n integers are read. We will need to find the largest difference between two numbers from the n entered numbers. In this case, we have the number 10, which we will need to input 10 numbers, and we will need to find the biggest difference. The biggest difference is number 1 and number 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. So one way to do this exercise is check every number with every single one of them. 1 with all of them, 2 with all of them, 3 with all of them, or we could just straight up find the minimum, the maximum, and we should subtract them and give us the result. I'm going to do with the easiest way to solve it. So we will need integer n, we will need max, and we will need minimum. Also, we will need a number which we will read our numbers. So now let's read our natural number. Also, we will read the first number. Scanf the current. Now, the best case that we will need to do is to assign a value to max and minimum. Now we will assign a value which minimum and maximum will be equal to current. And why is that? I'm going to show you through an example. First, we will need a loop, which I will start from 1. Why from 1? Because we already read our first number. I is lower than n, I plus plus. Then we will need to read our next numbers. E current. Then we will need a condition. If our current is bigger than maximum, then let our max be the new current. Else if the current is lower than minimum, then let our minimum be the new current. Now, if we print them, let me just copy the text. Maximum minus minimum. So in this case, I think the exercise will work perfectly because we assigned a value to minimum and maximum. Let me just copy the input. See, our biggest difference is 9, but if we don't assign a value to minimum or maximum, then if we try to print out the same, you will see you will get a random numbers. So that's why we assign always a number to minimum and maximum. Let's just copy this and try it out in our code. First, we're going to save and let's test it out. There you go, guys. We passed all our 5 test cases. Leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and until next time.